Basketball continues its strategic rollout of the GT Cut series with a three-pronged approach. First, limited retro releases of the original GT Cut continue to generate buzz, often reselling for double retail. Next is the performance-driven GT Cut 3 Turbo, a souped-up version of the current mainstay, the Zoom G.T Cut 3. This fall, Nike introduces a new colorway of the Zoom G.T Cut 3 for $200, dressed in white, bleached turquoise, green strike, and total orange. The familiar design is updated with bold branding of the ZoomX foam, visible through a cutout midsole that highlights the advanced cushioning tech. Ideal for high-energy games and serious training, this version keeps the comfort and performance intact while offering a vibrant, fresh look. Expect the release soon via Nike.com and select Nike basketball retailers.